Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set who can add you to groups on Viber. So let's get started. First off, we're going to start off by clicking on the settings icon here. That's going to take us to our settings. Next, as you can see here, we have multiple options. So we're going to go ahead and select the second option, privacy. So here, the sixth option we have, as you can see, is control who can add you to groups. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. As you can see, it's currently and defaultly set to everyone. So even the people that are not in your contacts, that you don't have their number, can add you to groups. So you can go ahead and set it to my contacts. So only the people that are in your contact list can add you to groups. As you can see, there's only these two options. That's how you set them, and that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!